This is Muhammad Abdul Basit. At first, take my salam and cordial love. Hope you all are well in this pandemic situation. I am an assistant teacher in a secondary educational institute. I completed post-graduation degree and also completed diploma in computer engineering. I am also an ambassador of A2I Bangladesh. I am also an ambassador of district ambassador of Brahmanbaria for A2I. I love to teach students and also love all of the people of the world. I love GTA. GTA go on. I hope it will be reach their own goal. Thank you very much.